Most people throw away their soil after one season, but mine actually got better. And the reason why is something almost nobody talks about.
I'm gonna use the soil from last season.
At the end of last season, I added minerals and nutrients to this soil and then I just left it over the winter. No digging, no mixing, nothing. I let this do the work. The real workers took over. The worms. They break everything down, improve the structure and turn it into living soil. But this only works if you understand one thing.
I'm also gonna use some fertilizer.
This is the mistake beginners make. You always see these three numbers on fertilizer: N, P and K. N is for your leaves. Nitrogen helps leaves grow. P is for phosphorus. It helps your flowers and fruits grow. And K stands for potassium. This gives your plants a strong root system.
Different plants need different balances, so depending on your goals, choose your fertilizer.
This is the mistake beginners make. Peppers don't need too much nitrogen. You will get a lot of leaves but almost no peppers. And timing is also very important. In my next video I'll show you when I transplant them. How I get more peppers? Subscribe if you want better results with less work. This is exactly why old soil can beat new soil.
I have a new batch of seedlings growing indoor. But we also have some pepper plants from last year. And when the time is right, we're gonna place them in these flower beds. If you want to see how I transplant and grow them successfully, subscribe. In one of my upcoming videos, we're gonna plant these peppers. And that's when the season really begins.
Stay tuned for more tips and creativity. Bye!